Guys, I get so many questions about undergraduate scholarship or people who are interested in doing a bachelor's degree. And today I'm going to share with you an opportunity at Miami University that is offering fully funded opportunities for anyone interested in doing a bachelor's in the university. They have several courses, and in fact, you have to, or you will be asked to choose up to 3 courses that you are interested in whilst doing the application. This scholarship is fully funded, everything is paid for, including housing, meals, and so many other things. So you have to just do the application directly. It's a very simple application because you do it on a common app and you'll be able to upload all your documents in and send it. Even though it's very competitive, but I'm sure that you can also compete. So I'm going to show you how the scholarship is and how to do the application so that you can go ahead and do the application. If you are watching this for the first time, subscribe to this channel, share the video and like it as well so that others can find it. If you are also watching and you want me to help you do the application, you can book my service with the link in the comment section below, and then I'll be able to do the application for you. So let's go to my screen. I'll share with you the details of the scholarship, and then we can do the application together. Before we go to the scholarship itself, this is my YouTube page where I post about scholarships. You can find other scholarships available. Some of them are still open, so send your application. They are all tutorial. They'll show you how to do the application and all that. But if you are watching this and you still want me to do the application for you, or you want my help with anything, you want a one-on-one session, or you want me to review your documents, you can use the link in the comment section of this particular video. I'll pin a link there, and when you click on the link, you'll find this my page where you can book my service. So if you click on it, you'll be able to book one of my services and I'll help you with what you want. You can also join my YouTube, my community, and then we can talk. Now, this is one of the scholarships for the undergraduate students. So if you are done with high school and you want to move to the US under full scholarship, then this is one of them, called the Presidential Fellows Program. But it says this particular to be considered, apply to Miami University using a common application by December 1st. So you should apply by 1st December to be considered for this particular scholarship. They say the selection process, they will review it and all that. Now, these are the benefits. A 4-year renewable scholarship covering tuition, fees, housing, and food. So it's for 4 years because you're undergraduate 4 years. They'll cover everything, your tuition, your fees, your housing, and your food. There's one-time $5,000 academic enrichment stipend, and then all that. You can read through all this, but this is the scholarship. You just need to do your normal admission application by December 1 using the common application, and you'll be considered. Now let's look at the programs that are available in the university that you can do if you are done with your high school. So these are some of the programs. If you check the undergraduate and graduate programs, so the one here are the undergraduate. You can check through their Bachelor of Science and so many programs. See, there are so many of them. When you are applying through the common application or the common app, they will ask you, usually they will ask you for 3 courses. So you choose 3, you have 3 choices, and then you choose. So when you are looking through this, you choose which one is your first choice, which one is your second choice, which one is your third choice. And then based on what you did in your high school, if you did science, you have so many things that you can do. If you did arts, home economics, business, whatever it is, choose 3 courses out of these, and then that will be the 3 priority. You choose your first choice, second choice, and third choice, and then so go through the courses and then choose which ones you are interested in. Now, in terms of deadlines, so if we go through deadlines, it says the undergraduate student deadline. So let's go for international students because majority of you are international students. When we go to the international students, it says that December 1st priority deadline for the merit scholarships and honors scholarship. So they have several merit scholarships, and the one I showed you earlier, which is the Presidential Fellows scholarships, one of them. But there are several of them. There's also the December one is also for the Presidential Fellows program. So during your application, you indicate that you want to be considered for all the merit scholarships and any other scholarship available. So this is the fellows one that I showed you earlier about them covering everything. There are also other merit scholarships as well. So make sure you apply by December 1st December. Make sure you apply by 1st December to be considered for all those scholarships. Now you can see some other scholarships. So some other scholarships are there. They will consider you for all those ones, but make sure you apply by December 1 to be considered for the scholarship. Now, if we go to the international scholarships, there are also other scholarships. Like I mentioned, there are other scholarships And it says that all first year undergraduate international students who submit their completed applications and meet the requirements for full admission for the fall semester are automatically considered for international education scholarships and the university merit scholarship. So there are several other scholarships. So you will be able to international transfer students will be considered for the transfer scholarship. So you can read about the transfer, but let's say you started your undergraduate and you want to transfer, there's possibility. If you have any question, write to the program coordinator and then they will tell you about the transfer issues. So these are some of the scholarships. They are all by December 1. There are other merit scholarships there. So they'll consider you for all of them. You don't have to do any separate application for that. I already told you about the courses there. So pick 3. Those are your priority courses. And then in terms of application, your first year student, so application requirements, they'll tell you everything here. You see, you use the common application. It's a website. You create a portal and then you do the application. They say you need your high school transcripts. So if you are watching from Ghana, Nigeria, you need your high school transcript, unofficial one for the application is accepted. But when you are admitted, they may want your university to send it or your high school to send it directly to them. The Miami fee waiver. So there's a application fee of $50. But if you are applying before December 1, you'll be able to select the fee waiver and then you don't have to pay for application. So it's a free application. It's a free application. At least one recommendation from a school or counselors or a teacher. So you need one recommendation letter from your student or from your teacher, one of your teachers. You need SAT. Now this is very important. They say here it's optional. They say it's optional, but for me, if you are applying for a scholarship and you really want to get a scholarship, please, if you have SAT, it will really help. It will really help. So please check this and then do the application. There your confirmation of interest in one of the scholarships. So in the application, you confirm that you are interested in the scholarships. After you've applied, you've applied, check your email for the link of your application. Applicant email begins sending in late August, so they will tell you by then. You just need to be checking your email to find all that. But check through this, read everything that you need. But basically, that's how you do the application, and that is it. In terms of English language, so you don't need IELTS because there are some places they exempt. So for example, you can check through if you have all these, fine. So some countries, so let's say Tanzania, if you need your GCSE, Ethiopia, Zambia, Zimbabwe, these are the grades. But exemptions, so the first exemption is English speaking country of origin with native language of English. So if this is Ghana, if you are from Ghana, you are one of these, and they even listed the countries here. So you can check to see there's Ghana here, there is Nigeria as well, there's Sierra Leone, there's South Africa, and so Gambia and all that. So if your country is here, you don't need to submit any English test. Anyways, in your high school transcript or examination, you took English language, so it will meet that as well. So this is basically how the scholarship is. It's a very juicy scholarship, even though it's competitive. But if you did very well in your high school, or your daughter or son did very well, please go ahead and do the application. If you are watching this as a parent or whatever, and you want me to handle the application, use the link I told you, contact me, and then if you book a session with me, I'll be able to do the application for your ward. So this is it. This is a very nice application, a very nice opportunity available. I've been getting a lot of requests for undergraduate opportunities, and this is one of them. So let's do the application together. If you want me to help you, I can help you do the application.